Yeah, welcome back. So we did have a lot of sunshine once again today. It really did warm us up. High temperatures into the low to mid 80s across the region. We've got a few more clouds, especially into our western counties, but we are going to stay mild through the rest of the evening. Temperatures right now falling to 81 degrees in North Platte. Wind east-northeast around 8 miles per hour and just a little bit of humidity with that dew point of 57 degrees. Here's a look at the current temperatures. So out toward Lexington at 85, Broken Bow at 83. That's the warm spot. 81 at Imperial. Mid-70s at Valentine, Hyannis, and Thedford with Ogallala at 78 degrees. Now the winds are flipping around from a southerly direction to more of a northeasterly flow. Little bit of a frontal boundary between Broken Bow and Lexington right now, but it's barely doing anything in terms of a sky cover, producing a little bit of cloud cover as you make your way from, if you look very closely, the Stapleton and Mullen area and out toward Ogallala. Could have partly cloudy skies, but just a few high clouds. Winds really not doing much, around 5 to 15 miles per hour. Everybody else, especially I-80 points off to the south, has mainly sunny skies. The moisture continues to miss us off to the north. We have a low up there that is occluding, so out toward the Dakotas, Minnesota, some showers and thunderstorms. Cooler air as you make your way further north and west, and still we have that moisture flow off the west coast. Other than that, high pressure remains in charge of our forecast, giving us that southerly flow in the upper atmosphere. That really does warm us up. The high does give us clear skies, lots of sunshine during the daylight hours. So as we make our way through the evening, temperatures falling back through the mid-60s, and then through the overnight, we'll be into the mid-50s for lows. Could have a little fog, especially in the higher elevations, say between like 6 and 9 a.m. Then after that, good amount of sunshine through the early afternoon, partly cloudy skies later in the day, a strong southerly wind. So temperatures will get into the upper 80s to maybe some areas near 90 as we go through the overnight into Sunday morning. The clouds and a strong southerly wind really do keep temperatures up. We're going to have low temperatures in the mid to upper 60s starting off your Sunday. Partly cloudy skies and high temperatures once again will be up there. Notice the red arrows, and we have a lot of red arrows. That is a strong southerly wind. That combined with the sunshine that we do get, really making us unseasonably warm for the first day of October. So as we make our way through the rest of the weekend, we stay in this warm sector. As this cold front does approach, that southerly wind gets even stronger. The front gets here as we go through Monday evening with a chance of some showers and thunderstorms. That increases the chance of moisture, especially for Tuesday, and we do have cooler air filtering in. But until then, we stay in this weather pattern. Jet stream to our north, unseasonably warm air. The cool air stays off the west coast. Now, as for that moisture feed, we continue to have significant rainfall, especially into northern California and the western portions of Oregon and Washington. That Pacific flow cannot make it over the Rockies. So we continue to have that downsloping wind, which not only is dry, but is warm. High pressure gives us a good amount of sunshine through the weekend. Maybe at times partly cloudy, but highs will be near 90 both days. Now, as that front makes its way through, the wind really does pick up. Good chances for some showers and thunderstorms Monday night through Tuesday, and temperatures falling from the mid-80s back into the lower 70s Tuesday, upper 60s on Wednesday, still a little breezy, and then 71 on Thursday, mainly sunny, with another slight chance of some showers and storms Friday, but a high of only 67 by this time next week. Tristan?
Justin, it looks like folks might need to have some of those fall equipment and gear and sweatshirts and hoodies ready come next week.
Not for the weekend, though, but by this time next week with those lows near 40, highs in the upper 60s, definitely need some of that fall stuff.
Thank you so much, Justin. Coming up, we introduce you to this week's KNOP Athlete of the Week, and we have